This drink is called an Enebriator. That's a fun name for a drink, huh? You make this at a party and people will be asking for seconds and thirds. And of course, then they'll be inebriated, and that's a whole other problem altogether. It's kind of similar to a Long Island iced tea. It involves vodka, gin, and triple sec, and the mystery ingredient is amaretto, and then pineapple juice. Let's get going. We're going to make this in a highball glass and fill with ice, and it's equal parts of all the ingredients. We're going to use a ½ ounce of each. Let's take a ½ ounce of our gin, 1, 2. ½ ounce of our vodka, 1, 2. You notice I'm counting here, so I'm free pouring. I use a 2 count for a ½ ounce, 1 count for a ¼ ounce. 1, 2, a little slow pour there on the triple sec, and then amaretto. It's an Italian liqueur. It's got an almond flavor to it. 1, 2. We're going to fill this up with pineapple juice, and then we're going to go to town and get inebriated. Look at that, kind of a tropical drink. There you go, folks. Kick back, have a couple of these puppies, put a little straw in there and mix that up. Kind of looks like a Long Island iced tea, right? Let's get inebriated. Woohoo!